So big beads. This I love to do like a 3D, create all different cool thing, and this is a great for, especially for beginners, if you are want to do a 3D flowers or 3D arts and stuff. This would be one of a really good way to do it without have to worry about its curing. And by the time you master of your 4D 3D gels, you can really help you easy doing your liquid and powder, because you learn how to control and create the looks of it. So I'm using it right now. Basically, I'm using the tips of my silicone from a 3D dual brush. I'm freaking love this brush because it is really compact, 2-in-1s. Either way, clients asking for 3D, I can do 3D with this. I mean 3D gel or acrylic. I'm going to just using a tip to make it even. Great. Going to the next one. Put the second one using the tips of the silicone brush. And do the second bit smaller. Somehow I got this a little bit crooked on that side, maybe because the way I'm holding the brush, the tips. It's okay, it's easy to fix it. And if I'm happy with this, I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. It's really stunning. I don't know why it's crooked, but it works. How everyone doing today? I'm gonna put this one on the sides and I'm gonna do some crystal placement on that. I really like that. Actually, I like that a lot. That's one of the designs I do a lot as well for the clients. Beside 3D, I got the frames right here. I'm gonna put some on along with my arrowhead. Right here, I have ones right there. They're stunning. Great. I'm going to using condensed glue gel, and it's really thick density. I'm going about to almost the end of this, but it's still a lot in here. So if you are the first time using this condensed glue gel, so don't hesitate to blend it out, because they are it's really thick density. So I'm going to blend this one right here, because I am going to do some crystal placements on this one as well. And the tips already, I mean the 4D gel is tag free, so you don't even need to top coat it. Blend it out nicely. Okay, close this. And then no wipe top coats as usual. Just doing its float techniques on the top. Make sure you put the top coat on the top of the condensed glue gels I just applied on. I'm looking for some frame right here. My yellow. Get the frame like this in gold. I'm gonna added some AB. I like to dress it up really nicely. If you want. No, I don't need it. I need the smaller side. This one. I'm trying to just get this tiny little one. And about 3 of them. If you want bigger ones, you can do that as well. I think it looks great anyway. I'm using really smaller size. I think it's size SS5. This one a little bit bigger size, SS6. I don't want that. I want SSI5. It's one of the really nice simple ones, design that you can't use it. And if I'm happy with this, I am going to cure under the LED lamp for about 60 seconds. I'm going to do one more. Great, cure for 60 seconds. Next one, we're gonna do all fun butterflies. I'm so obsessed with this. I am going to use some yellow butterfly on this cute little cutie things. Move this one on the side. Precision glue, I am going to double secure this one. So it's what you have done so far. 1 second, Sarah, I'm going to show you. I did the sunflower. I'm just make sure and checking around all the edges and cracks of the between the crystals. Now I am going to using a twin tip brush and light brush to blend it nicely. How? So then that's why when after you're done with the curing, you don't have to see lumpy bumpy. Okay, I'm gonna pop in the lamp.